Hey guys, welcome to the heart of Smith Falls, 11 Mackenzie Avenue, our newest listing. Beautiful neighborhood, quiet, it's quaint. You literally get mail directly to your door still, so my favorite.
Totally, and we're just steps away from the Rideau River. Absolutely beautiful for people who love fishing, outdoor boating activities. How about we stop talking, you take a look at the rest of this house.
Absolutely. Hope you guys enjoyed the show, and go ahead and give us a call if you would like a private viewing or if you have any questions. Thanks.
Absolutely. Cheers.